In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Classroom more secure with your Google Class Meet links and join codes. So I'm looking at this demo class from the teacher view, and you can see I have the class code at the top and the Meet link. Students will not be able to see the class code, only on the teacher view. Students may be able to see the Meet link if you have enabled that setting. If they're on a laptop or desktop or just on the web, they'll see the Meet link listed under the class name. If they're on an iPad, they'll see a little tiny video camera icon in the top right corner of their Google Classroom. On the teacher end, what you can do is you can click on this gear icon in the top right corner to go to your Google Classroom settings, and you would have to do this for each of your classes. If you scroll down and you come to class code, if you're worried that your class code got out, you can either click on the drop down and click reset, and that will change it to a different combination. Once all your students are in your Google Classroom, you can click disable, and then students will no longer be able to join with the class code, but you will be able to go to the People tab and invite students. If you have issues with students, too many comments, or you want to change those settings, you can limit it down to teachers can only post and comment, students can only comment, or students can post and comment. It's up to you. Lastly, you have this Google Meet link. So if you're worried or concerned that the Meet link has gotten out, which is unique to each Google Classroom, you can click the drop down and click reset, and that will just change the Meet link. It's best if you only use the Meet links within Google Classroom, so don't email them out, don't post them as an announcement to the students, just leave it where they have to join by the link that's in the top banner of their Google Classroom. If you want extra protection on that, you can make it not visible to students, and then when you're ready to start class, you can click visible to students. Um, However, students will not be able to join the Meet unless a teacher is already present. However, it's really important that as the teacher, you are the very last person out of the Meet each time. So if you need to, you can go on the sidebar, click on a student's name on the drop down, and click remove if necessary. And so that's one way to ask the students to leave so that you're the very last one, and make sure you close the Meet tab. And then as long as you are the very last one in, students will not be able to rejoin until you open up the Meet again. So those are some basic privacy settings on Google Classroom for Google Meet.